You are watching FX1 tutorial. Learn Card Dance the easy way. Card Dance Effect is an advanced built-in simulation tool in Adobe After Effects used to divide an image or video into an interactive grid of individual tiles or cards. It's commonly used for card wipe effects, special grid distortions, and mosaics. It also works as 3D particle effects alongside wave and ripple animation. Create a new adjustment layer. Under Simulation, apply Card Dance. On Rows and Columns, select Columns Follow Rows. Set rows to a minimum of 300. Set Gradient Layer 1 to Adjustment Layer. Set Source to Intensity 1. Adjust the offset to your preferences. Keyframe the multiplier to your preferences. Wait for the render to finish. That'll be all for today's tutorial. Thank you, and subscribe if you want to learn more about simulation effects in Adobe After Effects.